everyone, Amanda here. Thanks for joining me today. So I'm just got a selection of things that I've recently made on my channel. It's a little bit of a different video. So normally I'm creating to hopefully inspire, maybe a little bit of teaching to those who are new, but today I'm asking for your help so that you can help me. So what I'm asking is, I would really love to turn what I have always seen as a little hobby. I love uploading to my YouTube and sharing and creating and hopefully just giving little seeds of inspiration, and then maybe to those that are new, they might learn something. And I'd really like to grow this channel from just being my little bit of fun hobby to almost like a full-time job for myself, because it's become apparent that I won't be able to return to the traditional workplace, as it were, and so I need to try and keep myself busy in other areas, and my YouTube's always been a massive passion. So let me just give a quick explanation, then I'm going to ask you, suggest how you can help. So my channel has grown from the early days. It was really genuinely a bit of fun. If you watch some of my older videos, they're a little bit cringe. And then I've done shabby chic flowers, I made fabric books, I've done book folding, I've done all sorts of different crafts. I've never had one little niche that I've fit into. I've always been what I call an all-round jack of all trades, master of none is the saying, where I like to try a little bit of everything. I don't know if that's held my channel back because I've not focused on one thing, or if it's a positive because I don't class myself as an artist, I'm just a crafter. I've always tried to have the kind of feeling that my watchers are just sat in my craft room crafting along and chatting with me, rather than a structured, heavily edited, voiced overed kind of teaching kind of a vibe. But maybe it's time that I need to improve. So I've done everything, like I say, from fabric crafting, fabric books, I've got book folding videos, I've got altered art videos. Obviously I did a long while for Stampin' Up, where my focus was on card making and 3D projects, and then my journey's moved and I'm more onto journaling. Now I don't have a journal to show you because I always either gift them or people will buy them. So I'm in the middle. Well, I've just started putting one together for a friend, so don't have one to show you, but here's a selection of some of the other things I do. So I do still do cards now and again, not very often, but now and again. I do my mixed media here. I've got this one here, which is, I've got different journals for different things, and these are like my art. And these are a little bit selfish because I make these because then not only am I sharing and inspiring with my videos, but I get to keep them at the end because nobody's going to want to buy these. They might, so they're mine. It's something I get to keep. And then also, I do my challenges over on my Facebook group with my lovely ladies and gents over there. So to help, inspire creativity over there. So what I'm basically asking for, in no uncertain terms, is your feedback. Positive feedback. That doesn't mean you have to beat around the bush and only say, how wonderful I am. What I want is, basically, if there's things that you would like to see me do on my channel, if you think my content is too broad, if there's things I do that you don't like, and so you don't watch them videos, but you like watching me for certain other videos, because I do different things. If there's something in the content or the structure that you think I could improve on, if there's, even if there's things where you think it's wonderful, then you can say that. But really I'm looking for constructive criticism. That means being nice, not horrible. I can't help my accent, I can't help how I talk, I can't help that some of my grammar is not always perfect. I'm from Yorkshire, it's just how the dialect is, okay? I can't help that I talk fast. Some people have said I talk too fast. I can't help that. Sometimes I do fast forwarding videos when it's my art journal processes or things like that. Maybe I shouldn't be fast forwarding them, maybe it's too quick, maybe some of my videos are too long. You know, any kind of feedback would be really, really appreciated. Or if there's something that you think that I'm missing, that you think that I'd be good at, and you think, Amanda, why don't you just do this, you'd be brilliant at it, let me know. As I say, you are why I'm here, because obviously you upload for people to watch, to inspire them. You know, people talk about their why. I don't really agree with the whole idea of a why, because I think whys change too quickly. They can change, you don't have one why, but the main reason why I do YouTube and why I've always done it is to share, to inspire, and perhaps maybe to teach. I don't like to think that, you know, I'm not an artist, I'm not an expert at any one thing. So when it comes to teaching, I'm not sure if that fits, if that's a cap that I am entitled to wear. But I think when new people come along, they might watch a video and they might learn something new, certainly. So there we go. I am absolutely asking for your help so that I can improve and hopefully grow my channel. I'm heading towards the 40,000 mark, and yeah, it's taken me a long time, so there's obviously things that I can improve on. And you know, you're the experts at YouTube. You watch it, you don't just watch me, you watch probably countless other people, and you know what you like and you know what works and what's good. So I think that you are the experts and that you can help me. So leave your comments below. If you've got something that's a critique, make sure that it's something that I can do something about. Okay, I can't do anything about how my hands look or how I talk, for example. You know, make sure that you're commenting to help and not just to be mean. All right? Because I can take constructive criticism. It's the whole thing that I'm asking for. But at the same time, please do be nice, or else I'll go sit in the corner and cry. I won't really, I'm only kidding. So there you go. If you've got any ideas, anything, let me know. Let's see if we can make this channel even better, and better so that we can grow. And if I can get better at it, then you're going to get a better experience, and that's the main thing, is that I want to give you the best videos that I can. Okay, right, I think I've waffled on long enough. I'm going to go and get myself a brew, and I'm going to do some of this journal today, so maybe I'll film some of this process as well. Thanks so much for taking time, and for those that do leave comments with the intention of helping me, thank you in advance. I really, really appreciate it. Have a fabulous day, take care, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.